This is Mohammed Azharuddin, VM number 1111. I'm doing my MBA in Welltech Multitech College. My project is a study on effectiveness of liquidity management at CCD Technical Solutions Private Limited. Objectives of the study. Primary objective to study on effectiveness of liquidity management with special reference to CCD Technical Solutions Private Limited. Secondary objective to analyze the existing liquidity management system at CCD Technical Solutions Private Limited to determine the liquidity position of the company, to analyze the company common problems in liquidity management. Scope of the study. The study will reveal the existing liquidity position of CCD Technical Solutions Private Limited with reference to post 5 years financial data, and the management will get a clear picture about the cash management and liquidity position of the company. It will in turn help the organization to ascertain the short-term solvency position and to generate sufficient liquid fund. Need of the study. The need for liquidity of current assets could not be overemphasized. The efficient management of liquidity is an integrated part of overall financial management and has a bearing on the objective of the consolidation of short-term solvency position. To achieve this, it is necessary to generate sufficient liquid fund. To operating cycle can be said to be the heart of the need for liquidity. The continuing flow from cash to supplier to inventory to account receivable and bank into cash, what is collected operating cycle. Thus, the operating cycle is continuous process. If it were possible to complete the sequence instantaneously, there would no need of liquidity fund. Limitation of the study. The study is based on only on 5 years performance of organization. Time constraint is the major obstacle to have a detailed study about the liquidity position of the organization. Data required with reference to the study are kept confidential by the organization. The data used is dependent on secondary source and is subjected to basis as per requirement. Regular discussion about the project study cannot be performed as staff not available during the working hours due to their workload. Review of literature. Company profile. Product profile. The CCD is doing products like orbital welding for tube and tube fittings, complete automated systems for toxic, flammable and ultra high purity gases, high pressure fluid transfer solutions, instrumentation and automation controls. Research methodology. The study was aimed by systematic design, collection analysis, reporting of data and finding relevant to cost management of CCD Technical Solutions Private Limited. An analytical study was done to obtain an accurate description. Data analysis. Nature of the data. The data collected is secondary in nature. This is due to the nature of analysis, which only calls for secondary data. Source of data. 5 years balance sheet, profit and loss accounts and statements provided by the company. Tools used for analysis. Ratios, working capital, cash flows. Findings. On comparing the balance sheet of 2009 and 2010, it is understood that the assets and liabilities got decreased in the year of 2010 by 12.7%. Future growth in sales is predicted by 13,107.38 million from 2015 to 17,201.39 million in 2019. The cash flow was continuous decreasing the operation in the year 2013 to 2014. In overall study, the existing liquidity management system is poor and not stable in managing the cash and assets of the organization. Suggestion. The main reasons for calculating the product costing liquidity for the company, where the company is focusing more on cost control and price fixation, so the company has to much more focus on make or buy decision and product discontinuation. Ratio can be calculated not only in 3 months but also whenever required to take immediate action. The overall sales of the company are fluctuating year by year, so the company should be stabilize overall sales in future through following strict marketing strategies. Cash flow statements for the company to show their cash positions. To have efficient liquidity management, the short-term funds should be used efficiently in operation of business. The company can continue to strive to reduce the operating expenses and increase the profit. The balance sheet suggested that the shareholders' equity is better and the liquidity position is also satisfactory in the past 2 years, but if it gains goodwill through publicity, it can even do more justice for them. Thank you.